Each other's hand, but we seem to understand the urgency. Just remember, you're the one thing I can't get enough of. So I tell you something. This could be love because time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
The concert team Pops Fernandez for the concert team Martin Rivera. Nakita niyo naman po, magkahiwalay. Naging magkaibigan na yung nagkabalikan na, pero concert naman. Mga kaibigan, good evening, and before anything else, I want to say happy birthday to Martin Rivera! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mark! Okay, sa mga kaibigan natin, mga Chinoy naman, kung may patsoy! Iba sa mga nakatingin at nagmamahal kay Martin at Pops. Ito ay dahil most anticipated ang inyong concert tour. At ang question na, magkakabalikan pa ba sina Martin at Pops after the concert? Panoorin natin ito.
Ako kasi fan talaga ako ng Martin Pops tandem even before. So I would watch their concerts. Siyempre, at saka actually na-witness ko silang dalawa, no? How they were before. So siyempre, kung ako, gusto kong magkabalikan sila.
Tungkol po kay Martin Rivera at Pops Fernandez, sa tingin ko, gusto ko nga na magkabalikan sila. Ano kasi ako mas gusto ko na yung family buo.
Sana magkabalikan sila. Bakit? Bakit kasi parang parang pag hindi mo sinabing sila Martin and Pops, parang hindi kumpleto ang buhay ng lahat ng tao.
Kita-kita naman, you cannot hide that it's written all over their faces. Tsaka with their, di ba, their rapport nandun pa rin. But syempre we know they also have their own separate lives now.
They're both happy where they are right now. So leave it at that first. And then I always believe patience is a virtue. Because of working together, again, always, baka mag-blend na naman sila. So they're really meant for each other.
Right now, they're very good friends. So, you know, if it starts there and something comes out of that, then well and good, di ba?
Sana separate lives na lang sila. Para sa akin na lang si Pops.
Anak ko ngayon, maliit pa ako, napapanood ko na yung Martin and Pops. Tsaka talaga nagpupuyat kami magkakapatid, maliliit pa kami, nila Ruel, nila Raymar.
He was, I think, 4 months old. Yeah. Top of the car as we watched the sunset. Remember I told you the sunset on the beach?
The name, and then the plate number of the car was Robin N.
Robin N. So that was a nice time. That's one I won't forget.
New Year's Eve, yun yung
Beach, remember? Kami apat lang.
Nako, ito, isa pa.
O, kita nyo mga kaibigan, Martin and Pops, sana magkabalikan na kayo. For the sake of you. Reunited and it feels so good.
No, it's a good...
Randy, showbiz ka,
Randy and Dennis, that's why we say no to drugs, okay? Thank you.
Thank you to our friends. At mga kaibigan, tutok at magkaibigan pa rin ang ating pag-uusapan. At huwag natin kalilimutan, posible pa silang magkabalikan. Meron pang isa pong part na mayroong exclusive interview ang aking staff with my leading man in the movie Walang Kapalit, Richard Gomez! Abangan niyo po yan. Na, ayan.
Ex naman po yan, syempre, ni Ate Shawi, di ba?
Oh, iba ex siya ni Nadia.
Lahat naman yata ex si Nadia. Siya pa si Nadia. Syempre, ex si Shawi, ex ni Direk Ruel.
Oh, ex ka ni Randy.
Ha?
Before pa?
Before pa yun.
Oh, hindi, sinabi mo na yun noon.
Oo, before pa yun.
Ito,
okay
sino
yun.
pa ex ni Mart?
Si Mart.
Ang dami mong ex.
Uy,
Akala ko...
si Mart din madaming ex. Ay, hindi.
Akala ko wholesome ka.
Ang
Wholesome ako.
Puro X ka. X-rated ka ba yata eh?
Kahit dream ko maging bold star, nila ako.
Never! The megastar will never go bold, but the bold will be mega. Mega means bold, bold means mega.
Kasi baka asuntas tired na. Okay mga kaibigan, ako po yung Alex. Dahil napakasarap po ng aming pag-uusapan ngayong gabi. Thank you, and we will be back with Martin Rivera and Pops Fernandez.
Before anything else.
May disclaimer.
Kailangan
May disclaimer
siguro.
na si Pops.
Kailangan Hindi. Kailangan magpasalamat kami ni Martin. Ako lalong-lalo na kay Direk.
So, you, your profession, me, my wife.
So, Direk, what do you remember?
And you?
Ako, I'm here tonight to tell the truth.
Direk, be nice to me, ha? Be nice to
And
me.
nothing but the truth.
What's the truth ba, Direk?
Alam nyo,
Ano ko?
Di pa.
ang question mo, Sharon, is who was more in love with whom?
Yes, Direk. Pero before that, also, you can make kwento also how it started.
Just very, very briefly. Of course, this is what? 10, 15 years ago?
A long
15
time
years ago na yata.
15 years ago. Can you believe that? Now, she's a mom, he's a dad. They hate each other's guts, you know.
They're still gorgeous.
They're gorgeous. And his wife
Beautiful,
is
oo.
aging beautifully.
Yes, Direk, you may kwento. Paano nyo nakita? Parang there was something developing. How long did it take
Hindi,
before
kasi
you
yung,
noticed?
hindi.
was-
Alam mo, they're very subtle in the way they handle them.
Sik-
The chemistry there, alam nyo, hindi yung dahil bagay sila, on the contrary. Dahil sa first months, they couldn't stand each other.
Why? You didn't get along?
No, I thought he was very mayabang. Alam mo yung typical amboy?
Oh,
na
shwar,
pag-uwi.
shwar and all that.
Tapos
yeah.
yun naman, Martin, what
You don't
was
like
your impression of
boys?
Pops?
You don't like?
Recently, yes,
Mart-
but then, no.
Answer mo na.
Okay, paano?
Ano ba?
There's nothing wrong with my
May
team.
counting asim, mga
Hindi,
kaibigan.
kasi di ba, pag sanay...
To that.
That's true.
Tayong lang naturo yan matuto ng mga words na chagrin eh.
Target
Walang
rate
alam
lang.
yan. Ako nagtuturo dyan.
Aro.
Pero sa totoo, it took time for us to realize. I, as their director, I couldn't see it because it was so subtle the way they develop it. I knew that it was already there before my eyes. That's when I realized.
You weren't into public displays of
And I'll
affection.
tell you
Hindi sila
where
ganun.
it all started.
Where, Direk?
Oh, you want
Before
it
we
now?
go to commercial. Just a
okay.
little peek into that before we go to commercial.
It all happened in an idyllic beach area.
Later, you will make us kwento,
Dagat,
please.
may dagat, may
The same thing, I guess. Please do watch. It should be fun. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to work with Martin again, all over again. It's been 7 years since yung last concert namin together. I mean, they see us in ASAP, no? But ASAP is a totally different venue for us to work together. So,
Ayun na naman. Please join me in singing this song.